Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Wallet and tapping the Add button. This initiates the secure enrollment. Enter your card details or use the camera to scan them, and then accept the terms. Apple verifies with your bank. That can take seconds or a few minutes. Once the bank sends a verification code, you enter it to confirm. Make sure iCloud and authentication, Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode are active because Apple Pay ties to your device security. Once your bank approves, you may be asked to verify through the bank app or a one-time code. Follow that prompt exactly. After verification, select a default card by tapping and holding a card, then choose Make Default. This speeds payments. If you use an Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone and repeat Add Card steps. That keeps watch and phone payments separate. Make sure billing addresses match bank records to avoid future declines. You finish by testing Apple Pay at a contactless terminal or in-app purchase. Hold your device near the reader and authenticate. If the payment is declined, check that the card is active, billing address matches, and that your bank didn't flag the transaction. If problems persist, remove the card from Wallet and add it again, or restart the device to clear glitches. As a key troubleshooting tip, contact your bank to confirm there are no holds, because banks often block new tokenized cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.